Professionals in the construction sector are blaming the developer of the building that collapsed in South Sea, Nairobi County for failing to involve professionals. Architectural Association of Kenya President George Ndege claims the developer doubled up as the contractor, contrary to laid down regulations.
Professionals in the construction sector want peer review incorporated in the building approvals to entrench professionalism. Architects say most developers, including the building that collapsed last week in South Sea, Nairobi County, are not involving professionals.
We're recommending that as one of the processes to be an inbuilt process for quality control and quality assurance, all through from design, approvals, and all that. Can we tell that, yes, it was done this way, but someone checked and confirm that what has been done is correct, it complies?
In the case of the building in South Sea, the developer doubled up as the main contractor, which architects says could have compromised safety checks and peer reviews.
The developer was the contractor and therefore maybe felt he didn't need the services of consultants during construction stage. That is wrong. That is a travesty. You don't do that.
They are calling on the National Construction Authority to audit all construction projects undertaken by developers whose buildings have collapsed.
All the building collapses, the developer must be held ultimately accountable for failure to comply with the requirements as captured in Clause 5 of the National Building Code 2024.
The architects are also blaming infiltration of illicit building materials for cases of collapsing buildings.
We are living by the grace of God. If a tremor, even at a very low Richter scale, was to happen in Kenya today, a lot of buildings will come down. The statistics are there.
They are challenging county governments to employ more construction professionals to support enforcement of building standards.
We put professionals in the right places so that when their officers are going round for enforcement, it is engineer and against a registered engineer against another registered engineer. A registered engineer in the county who is dealing with a registered engineer on site, who is dealing with a registered contractor on site.
Benson Rioba reporting for Prime Edition.